Choosing the right door replacement for your home is a crucial decision that impacts both the aesthetics and functionality of your living space. Whether you're upgrading your entry door, replacing a damaged one, or enhancing the energy efficiency of your home, selecting the best door replacement in Colombia can seem daunting with so many options available. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you make the right choice and ensure your investment brings long-term value. Consider the purpose of the door before you start shopping for a door replacement. Think about the purpose it will serve. Is it an entry door, a patio door, or an interior door? Different types of doors offer different benefits, so choosing the right one for your needs is essential. Entry doors. These doors are the first line of defense against the elements and provide security for your home. Look for materials that offer durability and insulation. Patio doors. If you have a deck or patio, a sliding or French door might be ideal to provide easy access while enhancing your home's appearance. Interior doors. These doors are more about aesthetics and privacy. Materials, designs, and styles can vary widely based on your interior decor. Material matters. Durability and style. The material of your door plays a significant role in its performance and appearance. Common door materials include wood. Classic and timeless, wood doors are known for their beauty and warmth. They come in various styles and can be customized to match your home's decor. However, they require regular maintenance to prevent warping or rotting, especially in humid climates like Colombia. Steel. Steel doors are known for their security, strength, and insulation properties. They are low maintenance and energy efficient, making them a great choice for entry doors. Fiberglass. Offering the best of both worlds, fiberglass doors are strong, energy efficient, and require minimal maintenance. They can mimic the appearance of wood while being more durable in extreme weather. Glass. If you want a door that allows for more natural light, glass doors such as French doors or sliding patio doors are excellent options. They enhance your home's curb appeal but require extra care to ensure privacy and security. Energy efficiency. Colombia experiences a variety of weather conditions, from hot summers to cold winters. Therefore, energy efficiency should be a top priority when selecting a door replacement. Look for doors with good insulation properties to help keep your home comfortable and reduce heating and cooling costs. Key features to consider include insulated core. Opt for doors with insulated cores or foam-filled panels for enhanced thermal resistance. Energy Star rating. Doors with an Energy Star label meet the U.S. Department of Energy's standards for energy efficiency, helping you save money on your utility bills. Weather stripping. High-quality weather stripping around the edges of the door can reduce drafts and prevent heat loss or gain. Security features. Your door is one of the primary security barriers between your home and the outside world. Therefore, choosing a door with strong security features is essential. Look for doors that include reinforced frames. A sturdy frame adds strength and prevents the door from being easily forced open. High-quality locks. Ensure the door comes with a reliable locking mechanism, such as deadbolts or multi-point locks. Impact-resistant glass. If you opt for a door with glass elements, consider impact-resistant glass that can withstand break-ins. Design and aesthetics. Your door should not only serve its functional purpose but also complement your home's design. Columbia homeowners have a wide range of styles and designs to choose from. When selecting a door, consider the architectural style of your home. For example, a modern home might benefit from sleek, minimalist designs with glass panels or metal finishes. Traditional homes may look better with classic wood doors or elegant French doors. Colonial or craftsman-style homes often feature intricate woodwork and design details. Choose a door that enhances your home's curb appeal and fits your personal style. Professional installation. Even the best door is only as good as its installation. Hiring a professional to install your new door ensures it is properly fitted, sealed, and secured. Poor installation can lead to drafts, poor insulation, and potential security issues. Make sure to work with a reputable company in Columbia with experience in door installation. Budget considerations. Finally, consider your budget when selecting a door replacement. While it might be tempting to opt for the cheapest option, investing in a high-quality door can save you money in the long run through energy savings, reduced maintenance, and improved home value. Set a realistic budget that includes the cost of the door, installation, and any additional features, like hardware or customization. Conclusion. Replacing your door is an investment that can improve the functionality, security, and appearance of your home. By considering the purpose of the door, its material, energy efficiency, security features, design, and professional installation, you'll be able to select the best door replacement in Columbia. Take your time to choose a door that suits both your needs and your budget, and you'll enjoy lasting comfort and peace of mind for years to come.